Series more than surpassed what we came to expect from a normal Survivor Series.
From just a normal Survivor Series.
Weighing 225 pounds, Justin Credible!
Well, what did you think of the Elimination Chamber match? Nobody saw the Elimination Chamber till Sunday morning, but after what those 6 superstars went through, I don't think any of them will ever be the same.
Win, lose, or draw, 6 guys came out feeling it for sure.
Oh, big time. And come Monday on Raw, they were certainly still feeling it. And folks, right after this matchup, we're going to take a look back at the Elimination Chamber match and what a great night it was last Sunday in New York City. But here we go, the Hurricane one-on-one with Justin Credible.
But did Eric Bischoff give those guys a break? Oh, no, he did not.
No, which goes back to, Lita,
yes,
us always talking about Eric Bischoff not concerned about the well-being of a superstar.
A friendly handshake by the Hurricane.
Oh, but Justin Credible wants no part of it.
Because he's showing her that he's not just the coolest and not just the best. He's Justin Credible, coach.
We've only been on the air for 2 minutes.
Yeah,
you had to bring it up 2 minutes.
We already got it out of the way.
Yeah, that's true. It is out of the way. But, folks, we're going to talk all about Survivor Series. Of course, coming up, we're getting set for Armageddon, only a couple of weeks away. And huge news this week. Oh, nice head scissors by the Hurricane. We announced this week that coming in January, Raw's 10th anniversary, we're going to be telling everybody about that over the next few weeks as well. Wait a second. Here's a cover. Hook leg 1-2 and a kick out.
It seems like just yesterday.
Seems like just yesterday, Raw was kicking off back in...
It was just a little baby Raw.
Yeah, who would have ever thought that Raw would become the most successful cable series of all time?
Who would have thunk it?
Yeah, nobody could have. Well, now Justin Credible. Whoa, quick as a cat. Big time into the nether region. Now the Hurricane.
Look, Jack, it's the top of the arena. Chad.
That's Chad. Well, they're like twins anyway. Chad and Jack. They do everything together. Now the Hurricane.
We don't need to go there, Coach.
The crowd 100% behind the Hurricane at this point. I think referee Chad Patton taking a little offense to that. And now Justin Credible, a big shot now trying to recover from that big shot to the groin area a few moments ago.
The aforementioned spoken of.
Yeah, exactly. Now the Hurricane into the corner and certainly feeling the effects courtesy one Justin Credible, folks. A little bit later on, D'Lo Brown goes one-on-one with Johnny the Bull Stamboli. And apparently we're going to have another installment of Raven's master plan. And apparently Raven wasn't too happy with us a couple of weeks ago because, and I'll give him credit, he does have a point. Here's a cover, hook leg 1-2, and a kick out by the Hurricane.
I think it's more his personal feelings towards Milan. He hates Milan.
Well, yeah, he didn't like Milan too much. I don't think Milan will be making another appearance here on Heat.
We fired him.
Just a hunch. Just a hunch. Well, now Justin Credible in control. You can see the Hurricane. He may actually be out at this point.
Justin excited about the possibility of no more Hurricane for tonight.
I tell you what, to say that Justin Credible at this point needs a big win, and a big win over the likes of a Hurricane would certainly be an understatement in my opinion. Oh, now the Hurricane.
He is Justin Credible.
Well, that is, nice sunset flip. Can he get Justin Credible down? No, a big shot to the head. Oh, there it is now, though. A roll of 1-2, quick. Oh, and nearly a 3 count on Justin Credible.
And right back down goes the Hurricane.
You know, these two guys have been going toe-to-toe for several minutes now. How much does either man have left at this point, which is one of the questions we were asking last Sunday at Survivor Series. I mean, this Elimination Chamber match was so dangerous. So dangerous, in fact, that Triple H had to go to the hospital after the match.
Triple H with a crushed trachea, not even able to make it to Raw last Monday night.
Yeah, you got to wonder when Triple H will be back as Justin Credible completely telegraphs that move, and the Hurricane is able to catch Justin in the kisser.
Testing for the teeth.
Because for the teeth. I think he ate a few teeth on that one. And now referee Chad Patton with the 10 count as Justin Credible back to his feet. The Hurricane attempting to do the same. And now the Hurricane, big shots to the forehead. Oh! And a big forearm to the forehead of Justin Credible. And now the Hurricane with the, dare I say,
classic comeback.
Yes. And D'Lo wasn't even out here. Oh, nice flying neck breaker by the Hurricane. Does not go for the cover, however.
Here we go from the Shining Wizard.
Oh! What did you say?
Shining Wizard.
The Shining Wizard, but it was not enough.
It's a wonderful kick, but it was not enough.
I just wanted you to reinforce it for the fans out there who may not be familiar with that move. It's all about an educational process here on Sunday Night Heat. Well, now the Hurricane wondering at this point, Lita, what he can do to take out Justin Credible.
Justin Credible raking the ice through the mask.
Oh, my goodness.
And a sunset bomb.
Sunset bomb. Oh, and the Hurricane, what an upset
Justin in complete shock. Now, you don't need to go take this out on the referee. That was a 2 count, Justin, 2 count.
What an impact. You heard the Hurricane in the middle of the ring. And now a roll-up, Justin Credible, 1, 2, and nearly a 3 count again as Justin Credible almost screwed himself.
Almost.
Oh, and Hurricane going for the choke slam. And I cannot remember the last time we saw that actually work for the Hurricane. Oh, wait a second.
We have not seen this in a long time.
Wow, you said it right, and